Learning a new language can be challenging, but with the advancements in artificial intelligence, it's now easier than ever to get help. ChatGPT, a language model powered by OpenAI, can be a valuable tool in the language learning process. Here are 10 ways how to use ChatGPT or AI in learning a language. 1. Practice writing skills. One way to improve your writing skills in a foreign language is to use ChatGPT's writing prompt feature. This feature allows you to provide ChatGPT with a writing prompt or a topic, and it will generate a paragraph of text for you based on that prompt. You can then compare this generated text with your writing and learn from the differences. For example, if you are learning Spanish, you can ask ChatGPT to create a paragraph about your favorite hobby in Spanish and then compare it to your writing to identify improvement areas. 2. Improve pronunciation. ChatGPT can also improve your pronunciation skills in a foreign language. With the help of the text-to-speech feature, you can input text in the language you're learning and listen to how ChatGPT pronounces it. You can train your ear to recognize better and produce the correct sounds by listening to the correct pronunciation. For example, if you are learning French, you can input a sentence, listen to ChatGPT's accent, and then practice saying the same sentence to improve your pronunciation. 3. Vocabulary expansion. Expanding your vocabulary is essential in learning a new language, and ChatGPT can help you do that. Using the word association feature, you can input a word in your learning language and receive a list of related words or phrases. This can help you learn new words and their usage in context. For example, suppose you are learning German and want to expand your vocabulary related to travel. In that case, you can input the word Reise, travel, and receive a list of related words such as Flugzeug, airplane, Koffer, suitcase, and Urlaub, vacation. 4. Practice conversational skills. Conversational practice is essential to language learning, and ChatGPT's conversation mode can help you improve your conversational skills. In this mode, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT in the language you're learning. ChatGPT can respond to your questions or statements, and you can practice your listening and speaking skills. For example, if you are learning Mandarin, you can talk with ChatGPT about your favorite food and practice asking and answering questions in Mandarin. 5. Translation assistance. ChatGPT can be used as a translation tool to assist you in understanding the written text in a foreign language. By inputting text in the language you're learning, ChatGPT can generate a translation of that text. This can be useful for reading and understanding articles, books, or other written material in the language you're learning. For example, if you are learning Italian, you can input a news article in Italian and receive a translation in English to understand the content better. 6. Cultural immersion. Language learning is not just about learning grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture of the language you're learning. ChatGPT can help you immerse yourself in the culture by providing cultural insights and recommendations. For example, if you're learning Japanese, you can ask ChatGPT to recommend some Japanese movies or TV shows and learn about the culture through the media. 7. Real-time translation. If you're in a situation where you need to communicate with someone who speaks a different language, ChatGPT's real-time translation feature can be a lifesaver. Using your smartphone or other devices, you can input what you want to say, and ChatGPT will translate it into the language of your choice. This can be useful in situations such as ordering food in a foreign country or having a business meeting with clients who speak a different language. 8. Grammar practice. Grammar is a fundamental aspect of language learning, and ChatGPT's grammar checker feature can help you practice and improve your grammar skills. By inputting a sentence in the language you're learning, ChatGPT can analyze it and provide feedback on any grammatical errors. For example, if you're learning Russian, you can input a sentence and receive feedback on using cases, verb conjugation, and word order. 9. Idiom and slang practice. Idioms and slang can be tricky to learn in a foreign language, but ChatGPT's idiom and slang feature can help you understand and practice them. By inputting a common idiom or slang phrase in the language you're learning, ChatGPT can provide you with the meaning and usage of that phrase. For example, if you're learning English, you can input the idiom "the ball is in your court" and learn that it means it's your turn to take action. 10. Memory reinforcement. Memory reinforcement is a crucial aspect of language learning, and ChatGPT can help you reinforce your memory of vocabulary words, grammar rules, and other language concepts. By inputting a list of words or phrases in the language you're learning, ChatGPT can generate exercises or quizzes for you to practice and test your memory. These exercises include fill-in-the-blank sentences, matching activities, multiple-choice questions, or other interactive formats. You can use these exercises to practice and reinforce your memory of the material you're learning. For example, if you're learning German, you can input a list of irregular verbs and have ChatGPT generate exercises that ask you to conjugate the verbs correctly in different tenses and persons. You can use these exercises to practice and reinforce your memory of the verbs and their conjugation patterns. ChatGPT offers a wide range of features and tools that can assist language learners in their journey to proficiency. ChatGPT can be a helpful resource for learners looking to improve their language skills, from translation and conversation practice to grammar checking and memory reinforcement. By leveraging the power of natural language processing and machine learning, ChatGPT can provide personalized and interactive language learning experiences. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, ChatGPT can support your language learning goals and help you succeed.